India is the fourth largest automobile market and also manufacturer in the world. With this, India also has the dubious distinction of having the highest number of road accident deaths. Every year, about 150,000 people in our country get killed in road accidents. This translates to about 400 deaths every day, equivalent to 2 jumbo jets crashing. Government of India, as a part of its broad poverty reduction strategy, launched the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana on the 25th of December 2000 as a centrally sponsored scheme. Till December 2019, 600,000 kilometers of rural roads have been constructed. Today, rural roads comprise more than 70% of total road network in India and are contributing to improved access and mobility for the rural population. This increases the importance of ensuring safety on rural roads. Death, disability, and injury cannot be the price of mobility. Expansion and upgradation of rural roads under PMGSY and similar schemes have led to increased incomes and growth in ownership of motorized vehicles. Traffic on rural roads has also witnessed an accelerated growth.
मेरा नाम नितिन कुमार जैन है। पहले रोड नहीं बनी थी तो दिक्कत आती थी सर, अब रोड बनने से बहुत फ़ायदे हो गए हैं। पहले कच्चा था तो गाड़ियाँ भी ख़राब होती थी, दुकानें भी कम थी, आजकल दुकानें भी ज़्यादा कर लेते हम और इनकम भी दुगनी हो गई रोड बनने से।
The roads are mostly single lane and the carriageway is shared both by motorized vehicles and non-motorized vehicles. High percentage of vulnerable road users face increasing risk of accidents on these roads. Probability of accidents increases greatly at the uncontrolled junctions of rural roads with major roads, requiring focused attention of design engineers. There is a serious and immediate need for instituting mitigation measures.
कितना है सर?
1.5 मीटर। ये विलेज से पहले हम लोग एक विलेज का बोर्ड लगाते हैं, जिससे जो भी ट्रैफिक निकल रहा है उसको पता रहे कि यहाँ आगे विलेज है, तो वो थोड़ा सा स्लोली निकले। और स्कूल भी जो बीच में पढ़ते हैं या लास्ट में पढ़ते हैं, वहाँ स्कूल बोर्ड हम लोग लगाते हैं, जिससे जो भी बच्चे वहाँ निकल रहे हैं तो वो ट्रैफिक पूरा उतना स्लोली वहाँ से क्रॉस हो। ये सभी जो भी साइनेज कॉशनरी बोर्ड्स हम लोग लगाते हैं IRC 67 के अकॉर्डिंगली लगाते हैं। स्पेसिफिकेशन पूरा सब लोग चेक करते हैं, उसके बाद ही सब चीज़ें की जाती हैं।
With the launch of PMGSY3, stress would be laid on consolidation of existing rural road network, giving priority to maintenance and safety measures.
प्रधानमंत्री ग्रामीण सड़क योजना तृतीय चरण में काम कर रहे सभी इंजीनियर्स इस बात की चिंता करें कि हमारे तृतीय फेज़ की सड़कों में सड़क दुर्घटना का कोई भी मानव शिकार ना हो। आज हम सब महसूस करते हैं कि सारे देश में सड़क हादसों को लेकर चिंता की जा रही है। भारत सरकार ने इसके लिए कानून भी बनाया है। यातायात के नियमों की अवहेलना यह भी सड़क दुर्घटना का कारण होती है, लेकिन अनेक बार ऐसी स्थितियां भी होती हैं कि सड़क की जो बनावट है, सड़क का जो डिज़ाइन है, वह भी इसमें एक प्रमुख कारक होता है। जब तृतीय फेज़ प्रधानमंत्री ग्रामीण सड़क योजना का प्रारंभ हो रहा है तो इंजीनियर से विभाग को यह अपेक्षा है कि आपकी सड़क का DPR, आपके द्वारा बनाया गया DPR ऐसा हो जो सड़क दुर्घटना रोकने में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कामयाब हो सके।
PMGSY has raised the expectation levels of villagers and farmers. With mechanization, use of agriculture implements is increasing exponentially. Demand for better and safer rural roads is increasing, and on the other hand, due to land constraints for rural roads, Compromise on road geometrics cannot be ruled out at some locations.
कई बार जो ग्रामीण ट्रैक होता है वो उतना सफिशिएंट नहीं होता कि हम उसमें अपनी रोड का निर्माण कार्य कर सकें। ऐसी स्थिति में हमें गांव वालों से उनकी सहमति से ज़मीन लेना होती है और वो सहमति से ज़मीन देते भी हैं। कई बार नहीं भी देते हैं। ऐसी स्थिति में हमको रेवेन्यू से कोऑर्डिनेशन करके उनको ज़मीन की अदला बदली का भी हमें क्लॉज है, वो हम उसके लिए प्रयास करते हैं।
With rural economy growing and purchasing power increasing, more vehicles and more travel coupled with unsafe driving practices pose challenge of accident risks on rural roads as well.
इससे 5, 7, 6 साल पहले ऐसा था स्थिति कि यहाँ पे कोई आवागमन नहीं रहता था। जच्चा बच्चा जो गाड़ी आती थी वो ही नहीं आती थी कुछ भी। और आज जो स्थिति है कि यहाँ पे 4 गाड़ियाँ आती है स्कूल जो सीहोर जाते हैं बच्चों वगैरह हैं यहाँ से पढ़ने के लिए। और यहाँ से इतनी सारी सुविधा हो चुकी है बहुत ज़्यादा, हर आदमी ने गाड़ी उठा ली है।
As engineers, we need to ensure that the roads we construct are safe to you. The National Rural Infrastructure Development Agency has prepared a comprehensive rural road safety manual covering road accident data management, community participation, road safety audit and road safety management. The manual is useful for enhancing of road safety aspects during planning, design, construction and maintenance. The training and capacity building of engineers involved in rural road construction on road safety aspects is an important aspect. Currently, NRIDA is providing training on road safety through IAHE, AITD and other STAs and PTAs to the PMGSY engineers. There are broadly 4 aspects of road development which need attention for accident prevention and accident reduction on rural roads. They are do's and don'ts of planning phase, must do during construction of road, must do in routine maintenance and retrospective fitting, and public awareness among community and road users to follow safety norms. DPR preparation should incorporate safety improvement measures at the planning and design stage itself. The operations manual has outlined the following road safety measures for implementation: proper design of horizontal and vertical curves, provision of vision berms on blind curves in hill roads, speed regulation within habitations and near school zones, design of rural road junction with higher order roads to reduce conflict with fast moving traffic. Ramps must be provided where field paths and cattle crossings intersect the road. Provision of traffic signs and markings as per IRC codes. Arrangements for safety of workers and road users at construction sites. SQC and head of PIU shall become members of the State Road Safety Council and District Road Safety Committees respectively. During the project design phase, Transect Walk should be carried out to engage with local communities in order to understand local needs, identify hazards, locate black spots and most importantly, identify possible and locally acceptable countermeasures.
आपके तो हमने नोट कर लिए, जितने भी आपने सजेशन दिए हैं। लेडीज़ से पूछ लेते हैं जो आपके साथ पंचायत से आई हैं।
जैसे जी स्कूल के साथ बच्चों को आने जाने की दिक्कत होती है, डंगा लगना चाहिए, बाउंड्री वाल लगना चाहिए, गेट लगना चाहिए।
Input from Transect Walk should be recorded and addressed in the DPR.
आपसे संबंधित है वो उसको हम DPR में ले लें।
These DPRs are subject to a road safety audit by an independent third party.
हमारे पास म्युनिसिपल DPRs आई हैं।
IRC has recently revised its manual on road safety audit and it provides a checklist for road safety audit during design stage. Safety audit at DPR stage is very important and has also been mandated by the Honorable Supreme Court for roads more than 5 km in length.
आप इकोनॉमी का ध्यान रखें, but not at the cost of safety.
Electric poles, trees, Hand pumps and other roadside obstacles next to the road may not appear like hazards to locals who get used to them, but they may pose risk to those using the roadway occasionally. There is a need to identify permanent and temporary hazardous from safety angle and to institute appropriate remedial measures.
गिट्टी आपकी डली है, तो ये रोड के ऊपर डली है।
Such temporary hazards may include drying and threshing agricultural produce on the carriageway, parking on the carriageway, tying animals on the shoulders, leaving unattended animals. Awareness in this regard should be created in local community.
अब रोड मिलने से क्या आप लोग को लगता है कि हमें सुरक्षा की भी अब थोड़ी बहुत बात कर लेनी चाहिए?
Following aspects need continued attention of road engineers. Road intersections. Different kinds of conflicts, high speed, poor visibility, and unsafe driving habits are a potent mix of issues that can lead to accidents at uncontrolled intersections. During routine maintenance, junction visibility, like sight distance triangle, should be kept free from any encroachment. Bushes and vegetation growth need regular clearance to ensure visibility. Sharp bends or blind curves. Horizontal and vertical curves should be designed as per IRC guidelines and details given in the Rural Roads Manual, IRC SP 20. At sharp curves, proper warning signs and traffic calming measures should be provided. Water body and high embankment. Provision of guard stones, retaining wall or any other form of vehicle restraint system along the embankment to protect errant vehicle from running off the road. Provision of slope protection along the road section should be made. During routine maintenance, checking shall be done to see the entire road restraint systems and slope protection measures are functioning properly and in good condition. Restoration of embankment, soil erosion, rain cuts, shoulder dropping if found anywhere on high embankment. Cross drainage structures. Cross drainage structures like culverts and causeways to pass water are to be designed as per IRC standards. The traffic-facing parapets should be properly painted to make the hazard visible or conspicuous. Roadside open channel. Drains should always be kept clean and functional to drain out rainwater from the carriageway. They should be suitably covered in case the drains are coming within the shoulders. Hill section, valley side. Provision of guard stones, retaining walls with parapets on valley side shall be made. Need for crash barriers on curves with deep gorges and valleys. Hill section, cut side. Provision of breast wall and other measures to protect running vehicle from falling material and landslides. Vision berms should be provided on hairpin bends. MORD specification, standard bidding document prescribe arrangements to be made for safety of construction workers and road users during construction as per IRC SP 55 2015. In spite of building safe roads with proper marking and signage, the safety also depends on how stringently the traffic rules and regulations are being followed by those who use them. This calls for continuous efforts in creating awareness among community. Such road safety awareness programs in the schools are being conducted.
Sit down. Thank you, sir. आज जो है हमारे पास सर आए हुए हैं पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट से, ये आपको जो है सड़क सुरक्षा के बारे में बताएंगे.
It has been found that the youth in the age group of 14 to 18 are the most receptive. Nukkad nataks and folk performances were found to have better recall value. Anganwadi, Asha workers and other such focus groups and staff of roadside shops and dhaba were found to learn and administer first aid better. Let us all endeavour to make rural roads safer by adopting appropriate design, by constructing the roads as per design with all safety measures and maintaining it regularly.